Never knew why he always seemed so blue. One afternoon he asked me over to play. I put on my tennis shoes and I went on my way. Get up, get down, let's move. Get up, shake your legs all around. Get down all the way down to the ground. Everybody's gotta find their own groove. With exercise you can't go wrong. It's easy just to move along to this song. Get up, get down, let's move. I made it to his house and you wouldn't believe. My friend was camped out behind the TV screen. I said, hey, that can't be all that you wanna do. I grabbed him by the hand, said, come this way. Gotta get a little sun shining on your face. So get up, get down, let's move. Get up, ride your bike all the way to school. Get down, swim a couple laps in the pool. Everybody's gotta find their own groove. With exercise you can't go wrong. It's easy just to move around to this song. Get up, get down, get up, get down, let's move.
Thanks again for having me, guys. I'll see you after the show. Bye!
Awesome. Hey, let's give Mr. Big Time a big round of applause, everybody. Woo! Awesome job. Good job. Mock Man, you guys rock.